Hi friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious aluminium mala egg tofu. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are egg tofu and Chuan style hot and spicy sauce. Remove egg tofu from packaging. Press and release egg tofu from packaging. Drizzle cooking oil on baking pan. Cubes tofu. Let's prepare seasoning sauce. Drizzle cooking oil. Place mark on sauce on egg tofu. Cover with aluminium foil. Send to air fryer. Unwrap aluminium foil. Complete with coriander to complete this recipe. Look at that! Mouthful of tender and smooth tofu on every bite. Yummy! Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Egg tofu, also known as tamago tofu in Japanese cuisine, is a type of tofu that is made with the addition of eggs. Egg tofu is good source of protein, making it an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans. Additionally, the eggs in egg tofu provide essential nutrients such as vitamin D and choline, which are important for overall health and well-being. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.